For butterfly parents, today I'm gonna make a flan, which is, like, as you know, a French dessert, and it's going to be great for Passover. Why? Because we can do it without milk, so that way you can have it, you know, whoever doesn't mix milk and meat, this is a great recipe. You can do it with water, 1 cup of water. So we have, the ingredients are 5 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. In some recipes they say 2 cups, but I only put 1. I think it's plenty sugar. 1 cup of flakes of coconut flakes, and that's optional. If you want to use it, you can, otherwise you don't have to. 1 vanilla extra, and then you have to put 1 cup of sugar here that you, in a little saucepan, that you can put on the fire with a medium heat underneath, because it's going to be caramelized, okay, until it's light brown. And we're going to pour this light brown caramel on the bottom of this loaf pan, and we're going to use this for the boiling water, and you're going to be putting the loaf pan on the boiling water. But first we start by breaking the eggs. So we have 5, 1, 2. Come on, children, you can count with me. 3, 4, and 5 eggs. You're gonna add the sugar in the eggs, and you're going to beat with a whisk really well, as you can see. You have to beat it like maybe a minute or so. Really well. You can add the vanilla extra. 1 teaspoon is plenty. All right. A little bit tiring. So I'm checking on my caramel a little bit higher, and I'm going to stir it with my whisk spoon occasionally. So okay. You can start doing the caramel before you even begin with the eggs, so that way it's a little bit faster. You have to add 1 cup of water. Like I said before, we can use milk, like 2 cups of milk, or mocha mix. But remember, mocha mix is dairy as well, so we use the water for Passover. So we put 1 cup of water, add it to the mix. You continue to beat a little bit. Add, like I said, it's optional. You can add coconut flakes. I usually buy the small flakes, okay? It's shredded small. You can also do it just with vanilla, and that's just as good. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my caramel to become a little bit brown. I'm just putting the fire a little bit higher so it does caramelize faster. Okay, I'm waiting for the caramel. I just wanted to show you. In the meantime, you can put the oven on 350 degrees, 350 degrees. Now, as you can see, the caramel is brown, the sugar is brown. I just put it all the way around on the bottom of my loaf pan. Okay. Oh, all right, this is done. All right, now, so now I pour, as you can see, I put the caramel on the bottom. So now I'm going to pour the egg with my coconut. I pour it inside onto the pan. Okay. All right. Now I bought some water because I said, and I put it in the bigger pan. I'm just checking it has to be at the same level as the of the mix. So it's not quite, so I'm going to add some water. So it's at the same level as the eggs, the mixture. It's about the same level. Okay, yes. So now, and then I put it in the oven in the middle of the oven, 350 degrees, and I'll just put this in the oven for 45 minutes. For 45 minutes until it's light browned. Yes. So like I said earlier, about 45 minutes, as you can tell, it's slightly brown. And now it's cooked. Now I have to let it cool down and then I'll place it in the refrigerator. It's much better, it tastes a lot better when it's cool. And it's even better when you eat it the next day. That's it. So enjoy it, and I know it tastes good, so try to do it with Mom. Bye. Thank you.